With the financial assistance of the World Bank, Ministry of Food through its Modern Food Storage Facilities project, MFSP has undertaken a program to distribute food-grade plastic-made 70-litre waterproof household silo amongst 5 lakh families of 63 upajilas of 19 disaster-prone districts to facilitate storage of quality seeds and foodstuff during natural calamity like flood, cyclone, tidal charge, etc. Household silos under this program are being distributed amongst the small, marginal and landless tenant farmers and women-headed families to preserve the seeds and food grains during the disaster period at a subsidized price of Taka 80 each, where the making cost is actually Taka 1,377. Household silo would be very effective to use for storing of quality seeds and dry food like chira, muri, etc. to face the food crisis during emergency disaster period. People of the flood-prone areas are used to storing their seeds or food in different types of traditional containers. It is observed that these containers were actually used for carrying or preserving pesticides or other chemicals or poisonous materials which are not made of food-grade plastic. Using these chemical-contaminated containers for preserving food, many of them contaminate their food, which can cause serious diseases like cancer. Household silos under this project are completely made by polypropylene copolymer plastic granules, for which these are very much strong and healthy, and food qualities remain in good condition. The thickness of each household silo is 6 mm, height 546 mm or 1.79 feet, and radius 536 mm or 1.76 feet. The capacity of each household silo is 70 litre. For example, 56 kg rice or 40 kg paddy can be preserved easily. Due to lightweight, this can be easily moved or transferred from one place to another. The household silo with seeds and food can be kept in a pit under soil during the disaster period, and quality of the preserved food will not be affected. The household silos have proper arrangements to tie up by rope, chain or hook, which can easily be fixed with pole or trees. The Development Project Design and Services Limited (DPDS) has been assigned as a service provider to manage the household silo distribution. DPDS conducted market assessment in 30 upajilas to fix the subsidies price of household silos. DPDS also conducted training of trainers (TOT) course for field-level officials of Department of Agriculture Extension (DAE) and Department of Food. DPDS has been conducting sensitization and awareness campaign in the grassroots level aimed at improving knowledge of the target beneficiaries about proper utilization of food-grade plastic household silo and its advantage at the household levels. DPDS conducted awareness campaign through miking, distribution of leaflets, hanging of posters, displaying video films and group meetings with target beneficiaries in the project areas.
আপনাদের নিয়েই এই আপনাদের অংশগ্রহণমূলক আপনারাই ঠিক করে দিবেন যে হ্যাঁ এটাই ওই যে বলেছে যে 80 টাকার কেন নিচ্ছে সরকার আপনারা যাতে মালিকানা থাকে।
Beneficiary selection is one of the important activity of DPDS. In the selection process, DPDS conducted PRA, FGD and household survey. Through PRA and FGD, DPDS have registered a preliminary list of the beneficiary and then conducted household survey following the preliminary list. DPDS has so far selected 3,27,034 beneficiaries out of 5 lakh and prepared a database of the beneficiaries. In this process, DPDS has already distributed 93,456 number of household silos up to 30th of September 2018. Before distribution, DPDS provide training to the beneficiaries as well as collect subsidized price from them and deposit to project account. Food grain and seed preservation arrangement at the household level is a milestone step. Sufficient food preservation will save our lives in disaster.